Entertaining on a dime. We may be virtual friends, but here's the reality from the Golden Rules gal. That's me, and I hope you like my new moniker. The one thing that I have always loved is entertaining with a theme. I have been blessed with the skill of finding the diamond in the rough. I can walk into any store and immediately focus in on the find of the century. This can be anywhere: a hospital gift shop, a hotel gift shop, or my personal favorite, the Dollar Tree. I happen to be a regular, so much so that I tore up my Neiman Marcus credit card years ago. As my 15-year-old niece Charlotte likes to say, the Dollar Tree is way more fun. The entertaining gene happens to run in my family. It comes naturally to me because my parents had non-stop company. If our home wasn't full of people, food, and fun, something was amiss. And why cook dinner for 2 when you can cook for 10? Because I'm dyslexic, I'm visual about most everything. While I love to read, things come alive for me on the big screen or in the aisles while shopping. I love the saying, "The world is your oyster." In a place like the Dollar Tree where everything is $1 and sometimes 2 for $1, just think of the endless possibilities. Anybody can have a Hollywood evening without breaking the bank. So how can we translate aisles and aisles of merchandise into a party? Here's how. Let's start with the party theme. I have a friend who loves designer everything. For her 70th birthday, I was trying to figure out a theme for a luncheon that I was hosting. One day while at the Dollar Tree, I saw black cat eye sunglasses and immediately thought, Audrey Hepburn, Breakfast at Tiffany. A theme was taking form. Now I just had to find the rest of those diamonds. Because Audrey Hepburn's photos from the movie are featured in their store windows, off to Tiffany I went. I took photos of her photo in the store and turned them into place cards and menu cards. After I printed them on heavy cardstock, I cut them to size. To complete the look, I painted the lips with a red Sharpie pen as the party was in December. It was so festive. For party favors, I went back to Tiffany and purchased jewelry cleaner, which came in this signature Tiffany Robbins egg blue bag to complete the theme. Before the party, I was in another one of my favorite stores, TJ Maxx. I could not believe my eyes. Staring at me in the housewares department were Tiffany-colored blue plates shaped like flowers, each for only $7. I bought the entire set, and we now use them as our everyday china. On the invitation, I asked everyone to dress in their Holly Golightly best, a little black dress with pearls, and at everyone's place setting were the signature cat eye sunglasses. Now everyone was ready for their close-up.